We came back to the houseboat to Safe Harbor Marina, Aqualand, and did some more work on the houseboat, had a little bit of fun, and check out what we did. Dave was busy. We're Dave and Karen from Watcha on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Here we go again. If you didn't see our complete houseboat renovation last year, check out the links below to see what we did. Time to do all the molding and the trim and the toe kicks. And I got more to paint. What you doing now, Dave?
Trimming. Finishing up what Karen should have done last year.
That's tricky around the helm there, isn't it?
A little bit.
Well, who painted all that trim that's going all everywhere in here?
I did.
You did not. Liar, liar.
Pants suit on fire. What you doing now, Karen?
Painting more molding.
Good for you.
I wish this was done.
It's never done.
I know. I got these. Now I still got to do these over here yet. Some of them are done.
See, you just don't know that you've been condemned to hell, and this is your hell. It's never done.
I'm a good girl.
Yeah.
Yours laying down, Dave.
Laying down on the job. I'm a union man.
Just as a reminder, you are working on a Sunday.
Triple time.
Got all the toe kick done with the quarter round. Very nice. Finally done painting all the molding. Dave's been hard at it. Getting all the molding on. Floor baseboard. How's it going, honey? How's it working in a small bathroom?
You'll get my bill. You let me know.
At least you got your knee pads on.
Yeah.
You gotta keep working with all these little teeny tiny pieces.
I know.
Well, I'm done painting. Hip hip hooray.
You think you are?
I hope so. Oh, well, we still got doors to do and stuff.
What you doing now, Karen?
I'm still painting.
Why is that?
Because you didn't tell me I needed to do this edge. Now I had to come back after I had everything all closed up, cleaned up, and repaint all the edges.
Yeah.
Not repaint them, to paint all the edges.
A good employee would ask, do you want this edge painted?
Yeah, right. Employee, my ass. Looks like it never ends, Dave.
It doesn't. It never ends. What am I talking here?
Well, let's see. You got all the molding over here. Looks good. What you doing now, Dave?
Changing out a marine toilet.
Why?
Yeah, this thing's old and ugly, and Karen doesn't like it.
Neither do you, because it sounds like a garbage disposal.
Sounds like a tree grinder.
It seems like stuff never completely goes down.
Yep, so we bought a new one and change it out and see how it goes.
How's it going?
Hey, it's going. That's about all I can say.
It's like this has been a real pain in the butt.
Well, it has, yeah.
Are you setting up the controls for pushing a button now?
Yeah.
What you doing now, Dave?
Finish installing the pump for the toilet.
In the houseboat.
In the houseboat. Yep.
Okay.
There's the pump down there.
Oh, okay.
And I had to put a little strainer basket for seawater because the pump pumps the water from the lake into the toilet to flush it, and you have to put a little strainer basket on it just in case you get little foreign debris like fish.
Oh, we've had like little minnows go in there before, and
Yeah.
and oh my God, that stinks.
Oh yeah, you get a minnow rotting in there. Oh boy.
Well, let's see if it works. Multiple buttons here. We're gonna flush with water. Well, looky there. And soft close lid. Ooh. Good job, Dave. What you doing now, Dave?
Changing oil on the boat engines.
And then what are you gonna do?
Tune them up.
How do you tune them up?
New parts, new plugs, new wires, new cap, rotor.
Oh my gosh.
Time it, make it all look pretty.
None of this ever seems to end.
It doesn't. Too many toys.
I see you haven't been wearing your hard hat. What you doing now, Dave?
Changing spark plugs.
Looks like you did some other work too. What else did you do?
New cap, new rotor, new wires.
Well, you're just a working machine here.
That's all I do is work, work, work.
This is going to require some beer, isn't it?
Lots of beer. Bring it on.
What you doing now, Dave?
Putting a new choke on the carburetor. Yeah. There's the old one. Electronic choke or electric choke. Wasn't working. So I'm putting a new one on right there.
What else did you put on today?
I put on float sensors in the fuel tanks. So now I've got fuel gauges that work. Comes in handy.
Always something.
Oh, well, after what? 10 years or so?
Yeah.
It's about time. 10 years of no fuel gauges.
How do you know how to do this stuff?
I don't, I guess.
What you doing now, Dave?
Trying to wire plugs alongside my bed.
You did. What's the matter?
The power that was coming in, the leads are real short.
How many of these are you redoing in here? In the houseboat?
Oh gosh, I don't know.
I mean, you've already done several today, haven't you?
Yeah.
What you doing now, Dave?
I'm getting ready to put new sensors in for the black and fresh tanks.
Oh.
And this is the locale I've picked to put the panel.
Uh-huh.
Right there. See?
Yeah.
Nice little panel. And it has probeless sensors. They just adhere to the side of the tank.
Neat.
So hopefully that'll work.
What you doing now, Dave?
Putting in cold air returns.
Cold air return?
Yeah,
You having fun?
always.
Always. What you doing now, Dave?
Cutting into the wall for the grill for the cold air return.
You're cutting into my pretty shiplap.
I am. I'm getting rid of it. There it is.
What you doing now, Dave?
Power wash.
Got a lot of power washing to do.
Oh God, yeah.
The whole top of the boat. The pollen and all that crap.
Oh yeah.
How's it going?
Slow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yuck.
Ain't the biggest power washer, but it still works.
What you doing now, Dave?
Nothing. Nothing to see here. Replacing these babies.
What you replacing them with?
The floodlights, replacing them with an LED floodlight.
Those other ones haven't worked for quite a while, have they?
Well, yeah. Yeah, they're oldies and goldies. There's the dock at night with the new lights that are installed in the front of the boat. They're pretty bright, aren't they? Yeah, it does a nice job.
What you doing now, Dave?
Looking at a new backup camera. Digital wireless backup camera with a 7-inch monitor kit.
Well, Dave's out here at the back of the boat. Let's see what he's doing. Okay, Dave. Show me what you're doing.
All right.
So what's the first thing you gotta do?
Well, I have a camera here, and it needs a 12-volt power supply to run. Well, as you can see, it works.
Lake Lanier can be crazy in the summertime, but during the work week, it is just wonderful. So, we're out here having a good time with Jackie and Ron out here in Lake Lanier. We are out here at Old Federal Campground on Lake Lanier in Flowery Branch, Georgia, visiting our bestest friends, Jackie and Ron. They got their motorhome out here, right on the lake. What you making over here, Ron?
Some smoked burgers.
Smurgers?
Smurgers.
I like this because we don't have to bring our RV over here or anything. We'll
I
just
know.
mooch
You
off
got
of
your
you guys.
Mail too.
Yeah.
You got your mail. I mean, we brought your mail. You got your mailbox. You got your lake. I mean, it's right close to your houseboat.
Yep. You enjoying yourself, Jackie?
I am enjoying myself. What better way to spend the day?
What you doing now, Dave?
Going to pump out.
Little exercise on the boat. Now they got the motors all running good.
Yep, our maiden voyage of the year.
Hard to believe this thing is shorter than our RV. With an RV, you go to the dump station. With a houseboat, you go to the pump station. She running good.
Now you did it.
Yeah. This lake has 700 miles of shoreline, fed by the 𝗵𝗟𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 River. It's a small portion of it right here.
Another way we like to relax is go to 𝗵𝗁𝗄𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 restaurant, which is right on the lake as well. They have awesome food there. We've also got to meet up with our friends from Michigan, Karen and Tom Savage, and we hadn't seen them in almost 3 years. It was great that they were able to stop by to visit. And of course, another way we relax is to take our spiders up into the Georgia mountains. We rode through Helen, which is a mountain town in northeast Georgia, and it's known for its vineyards and Bavarian-style buildings. They have tubing and lots of shops. A little too cold right now for tubing, but it's a lot of fun when the water's warm. The Chattahoochee River. They have over 200 specialty shops, a scenic state park, waterfalls are also scattered about. And if you like German food, great place to go. Bike riding in the North Georgia mountains is absolutely beautiful. One of the downfalls of staying on a houseboat is you have to deal with the weather, and Dave dances down the dock on a windy day up to 35 miles per hour.
crazy, man. It's crazy. Good thing we got our sea legs on. Well, maybe I don't. Like crap. Probably similar to what it'd be like walking in an earthquake. So Dave, you did a lot of work on the boat.
I sure did.
How many beers?
Just bring a truck.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.